we're down at the lofts. I'd first off just like to say a huge thank you to David Olberson. As you know from yesterday's video that we were getting some birds off him, some Van Reet birds off him. But this morning we had a bit of vehicle issue. We ended up with an oil leak and a water leak, and steering fluid was leaking, so we couldn't actually get over to pick them up. But like a lifesaver, he drove down and dropped them off for us, which was a massive help. So huge thank you to him. I'm going to show you the birds one by one. We've got 4 new young birds, and then we have 3 pair of stock birds. I'll take you across and show you those in a minute. I'll just get you the young birds out. First off, we have a beautiful gay-pied cockbird. I'll just show you that there. There you go. Beautiful bird. Again, these are all Van Reet birds, because that's, like I said, that's the line that we're going with. We're going with the Van Reet birds. Lovely cockbird there. There we go. I'll get you the next one. I now have one on my head. What are you doing over there? This one, I'll show you this one. This one again, cockbird. It's a blue-pied. And just lovely bird. I'll just show you its wings and spread those out and let you have a look. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful bird. There we go. That one. Get the next one out. Oh, there we go. This here. This lovely little hen bird here. Then this one's taken a liking to my head. That's it. Beautiful, a dark slate. This one. Just. And again this side, beautiful looking bird. You got there as well? That's it. I'll just get the last one out for you. Here we go. And again, this one does have an incorrect ring on, but again, beautiful little young bird. There we go. I'll just show you. Like I said, these are all Van Reet birds. These are off David Olberson. We actually got 2 of these from the Charlie Gibson auction, and then David was kind enough to give us 2, so we ended up with 4 young birds. And we couldn't be any happier with them. They're absolutely lovely birds. Where have you gone? That's it. Come on. So I'm going to take you across and show you the new stock birds we've got. So now we're over in the stock bird loft. I will show you the 3 pair of stock birds that David gave us. He did give me all the information, but it was a bit more like an information overload. And the Van Reets, they're Soutjans, there's Van Reets cross Soutjans, there's a mealy hen in there that's bred in winners. They've all bred in winners. Yes, there's a lot of information. I have got it all. I can put some of it on at the end of the video. If you want any information, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I'll get you the birds out and let you have a look. Right. So again, we've got a blue pied here. Just try and grab hold of it. Right. There we go. Beautiful shiny green neck. Just show you out here. They're good babies. There are 3 cocks and 3 hens. They are all paired. I'm not quite sure which one goes to which, but they'll sort themselves out. There we go. This one here, a nice blue. Again, beautiful green shiny neck. And just show you. Good girl. Good baby, kiss her. And this side. Still learning how to hold them. There we go. Yeah, you can go. Let's get you the next one. Come on, baby. Good baby. Right. As I say, I'm still learning how to hold them, especially with these being stock birds and stuff. You know, they are a bit more on the fighty side, and obviously being older birds as well, it's not like handling young birds that are smaller and easier to, you know, and that sort of thing. Again, this one's a cock bird, beautiful boy. Like I say, these are all Van Reets or Van Reets cross Soutjans. Like I say, I have had the information at all. Like I say, just information overload. Everything was overwhelming at the time. And that's everything that went off with this vehicle this morning and everything. So I'll just get you the 3 out and let you have a look at this. Now this one is our mealy hen. Beautiful one there. This one has bred him plenty of winners over time. And then she's got beautiful eye. Not that it's very clear on this camera. Yeah. Right, so I've got this lovely blue one. Just give you a show on that one. Alright, Kelly. Alright. And then this side. And now we've got this beautiful pied cock here. I'll just show you there, look. And then there we go. So that's all our stock birds. Obviously we've got all these old ones over this side. It's going to be nice to see what they produce. We've got all those lovely young birds over the other side. It'd be nice to see what we can get out of them. We're still umming and ahhing about whether or not to let them out or to use them as just stock birds. So yeah, it's exciting to see what we've got. We've got a good setup with birds now. As lofts are all nicely done. So just keep following.